This vlog will show you how to use Google search to find free images for personal and commercial use while avoiding copyright claims. Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Zipray. Copyright is a legal term that refers to the legal protection of an author's work. Copyright can be used to protect of a wide range of content such as books, music, songs, films, artworks, pictures, and more. Now, if you're asking like this, how can I find pictures for my PowerPoint presentation, virtual demonstration, or in my YouTube channel or Facebook page? If you're interested in this topic, I encourage you to watch this video from the start until the end. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. And now, let's move on to our topic. Let's start and just follow the steps. First, find a web browser like Google Chrome on your mobile phone screen and click on it. Now you will see there are three dots now on the top right of your cell phone. Click to choose the desktop site at the bottom. Then you can type the images you are looking for. Let's try. I will type here table and you will see the results. There are a lot of different types of tables. Please note or be aware that not all of the pictures are free. So let's not just take a picture on Google and use it without permission. Okay, kaya kailangan natin na alamin talaga kung ano ang mga ukol dun sa kanyang licensing. Let's click the images, find tools, and then click on it and look for the usage rights. Okay, let's click the usage right and choose Creative Commons licenses. For example, okay, this table is what we want to use in the PowerPoint presentation, and let's make sure that this picture is free. Okay, it is free to use. Okay, and now let's click on the on the table that we choose and click the visit. Okay, you can see here there's a visit, and you can visit it to see more information about the photo and its licensing, and below we can see the licensing if the picture is free or intended for commercial use and no attribution required. Okay, hindi po muna natin siya i-download agad kasi nakikita natin free to download, but kailangan natin alamin kung ano ang kanyang pinapayagan at hindi. Okay, ito po ay isang sa Pixabay license. Okay, free for commercial use, no attribution required. Okay, pindutin natin siya at ating babasahin ang kanyang terms of service. Okay, nakikita natin Simplified Pixabay license. Our license empowers creators and protects our community. We want to keep it as simple as possible. Here an overview. Okay, meron silang mga pinapayagan at merong mga hindi. Okay, basahin po natin yan. You can make modification to content from Pixabay. Okay, pinapayagan din nila yung pag-modify doon sa picture. Okay, nila. Meron ding hindi nila pinapayagan ay kailangan nating alamin para hindi po tayo maka-violate doon sa doon sa pag-aari po nila. Meaning to say na these images are free to use for any lawful reason. Okay, the images are available for personal and commercial use. Okay, like sa school may mga reporting, gagawa tayo ng mga PowerPoint presentation or demonstration, virtual demonstration, o ano pa bang mga demonstration na kailangan natin ng images. Even the Facebook page or YouTube channel, pwede natin siyang gamitin. Okay, that's it. I hope you learned a lot in this vlog and enjoyed. And again, don't forget to subscribe and kindly turn all the notification bells so you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Again, my name is Zipray. Hanggang sa muli, maraming